Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to our CSS training session. Today we are going to talk about CSS transitions which can make your website even more interactive. Let's see how it works. Friends, by using CSS transition, you can create smooth change between states. For example, if you change the color of a button without a transition, the color changes instantly, but with a transition, the change happens gradually. So how does a CSS transition actually work? You can define which properties should transition, the duration of the transition, the timing function, and the event delay if needed. As you can see in the diagram, the transition property specifies which property should change. For instance, background color in the case. Then we have the transition timing function such as is, which defines the speed curve of the transition. Next we specify the duration like 2 seconds, which means the transition will take 2 seconds to complete. Finally, we can also set a transition delay, which determines when the transition will begin after the event occurs. Now let's look at an example. We will create a button whose color changes smoothly when you hover over it. For this button, we define the class and set initial styles such as background colors white, padding 10 pixel and 20 pixel, border none, border radius 5 pixel, and cursor style. We will add the transition property with the background color and set it to 2 seconds. When you hover over the button, the background color will change smoothly. For instance, if the initial background color is green and you hover over the button, it transitions to a dark red color. You can observe how smoothly the color changes. If you remove the transition, the color will change instantly. But when we add the transition back, it takes some time to change, giving it a smooth effect. Now let's talk about how some timing function works. First of all, what do they do? For example, is it starts slow, then become a bit fast, and then slows down again. Linear, it remains at the same speed from beginning to end. Ease in, it starts slow, then speeds up and keeps speeding up until the end. Ease out, it starts fast in the beginning and later becomes slow. Ease in out, it starts slow, become fast in the middle, and then slow down again at the end. We will see this an example. I will copy the example here. Now friends, see here. The class dot box is set with a width of 100 pixel, height of 70 pixel, margin of 20 pixel, and background color. You can see the green color here. A transition of 1 second is applied, so its width should increase smoothly. Now I will show you that there is a box here, and we have applied different timing functions like ease, linear, ease in, and ease out to it. When we hover it, the width increased to 20 pixel. You can see how the transition works of this timing function. With ease, the change starts slow, becomes faster, and then slow down again. With linear, the change happens at a constant speed. With ease in starts slow and speeds up towards the end. With ease out, it starts fast and slow down toward the end. You can also transition multiple properties together. For example, you can change the width, height, background color, and border radius simultaneously. Let's see through an example. I will copy this code here. Here the width is set to 100 pixel, height to 100 pixel, and margin to 20 pixel, and background color to green, border radius to 0. On hover the width and height can change to 150 pixel, the background color change to blue, and the border radius change to 50%, making it a circle. When you hover over it, you will see how all these properties can change smoothly within 1 second. This is how you can apply transition to multiple properties, making your website more engaging and visually appealing. Friend, if you want to know anything else, feel free to ask in the comments. Keep smiling and happy coding. Thank you.